Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mango mousse with gelatin. First, let's prepare our gelatin. You'll need 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin and 1/4 cup of cold water. Sprinkle the gelatin over the cold water in a small bowl and let it sit for about 5 minutes. This step, called blooming, is crucial as it allows the gelatin granules to absorb the liquid and soften, ensuring a smooth texture in your mousse. Next, we'll create our vibrant mango base. Take 2 ripe mangoes, peel them, and blend the flesh until you have a perfectly smooth puree. Now, gently heat your bloomed gelatin in a microwave for about 15 seconds or over a double boiler until it becomes a clear liquid. Be careful not to boil it. Once dissolved, slowly pour the warm gelatin into your mango puree, stirring continuously to ensure it's thoroughly incorporated. This step is key for the mousse's structure. Now for the airy texture. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 1 cup of heavy cream until it reaches soft peaks. You want it light and fluffy, not stiff. Carefully, and in 2 separate additions, fold the whipped cream into your mango and gelatin mixture. Use a spatula and a gentle, upward motion to combine them. This delicate folding technique is essential to incorporate air and prevent deflating the cream, giving your mousse its signature lightness. Finally, it's time to chill and set your delicious mango mousse. Carefully spoon or pour the mixture into your chosen serving dishes, whether individual glasses or a single large bowl. Place them in the refrigerator and allow the mousse to chill for a minimum of 4 hours or preferably overnight. This ensures it sets perfectly. Once firm, you can garnish with fresh mango pieces or a sprig of mint for a beautiful presentation. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.